Good morning all of you. In last lecture we already discussed about the radicals. Radicals, there are two types, that is acid radical, basic radical, monatomic ions, polyatomic ions. Yes. Now we see what is the atomicity. See there the word, break the word, that is the atomicity, atom. How the number of atoms present in a molecule of the element. In one molecule, for example, oxygen O2, how many atoms are there? 2. So their atomicity is 2. Yes, atomicity of hydrogen is 2. Oxygen O2 is 2. Because single hydrogen not exists, you know. It exists in the form of molecule. Oxygen gas, O2, yes, 2. Ozone, yes, ozone. Their atomicity is 3. Yes, chlorine, their atomicity is 2. Phosphorus exists in the 4 atomicity. Sulfur S8, 8 atomicity. So these are for the homo molecule. This for the hetero. For the hetero, if you count overall atomicity, this is a 2 oxygen, hydrogen is 2, oxygen is 1. So total atomicity is 3. But if a question is there, what is the atomicity of a hydrogen in the water? So that is a 2 only. If the total carbon dioxide is a 3, if you want to count for the only for the carbon, that is a 1. Only for the oxygen, that is a 2. Here the total 2, 1 and 4. Yes, 7. If you want to count for the sulfur, yes, 1 only atomicity. For only oxygen, 4. For only hydrogen, that is a 2 only. Yes. Same for the nitric acid, 1, 1 and 3, 5. 1 for the, that is a sodium bicarbonate. 1, 1 and 3, that is called 6. This is the atomicity, a very easy topic. Now my next topic is a chemical formula. How you write the chemical formula? See there, yes. Yes. And chemical formula. How you write the chemical formula? For example, oxygen gas O2. Here the symbol come always element and down subscript which tell how many atoms. For example, H2SO4. Chemical formula will tell about significance of the chemical formula. Tell which element present is there, made up of chemical, yes, hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. 3 elements are there in this molecule, this compound. And how much hydrogen is there? 2. Their subscript tell how much atom present. Sulfur 1, oxygen 4. Yes, how you will form the chemical formula? Now we discuss by using monatomic and polyatomic ion. Yes, first step. For example, you want to make the chemical formula of sodium chloride. This is the IUPAC name, already know. IUPAC name. And some compound have the common name also. IUPAC means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Yes, which give the name of all these element and compound and salt. Yes, first of all you know sodium, write the symbol Na. And write their second symbol, that is a Cl. And second, you have to write their valency on up. Keep in mind which one have positive charge, that put on the right side, or sorry, left side, and which one has the negative charge, always put on the right side. When you give the name, keep in mind cation always name first and anion always, that is right side, on the right side at last. Yes, so sodium valency, you know, 1 positive. First of all, see configuration, 2 add 1, lose 1, it means 1 positive. Chlorine, yes, 2 add 7, gain 1 electron to become stable. So that is keep in mind. Yes, now what you do? In last you use the crisscross method. Crisscross method. In crisscross method what you do? Yes, crisscross method. Crisscross method. Yes, in last step what do you do? See there, I'm again writing here sodium. Yes, इसकी वैलेंसी इसके पैर में, इसकी वैलेंसी, both respect to each other, give respect to each other. इसकी वैलेंसी इसके पैर में, इसकी वैलेंसी इसके पैर में. See there, Na1Cl, that is a sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. Yes, sodium chloride. This is the way to find the chemical formula. Yes, now we try for the next. We discuss one by one all chlorides. Yes, second, magnesium chloride. First of all, you should know about the valency also and configuration also. Then you are able to make the chemical formula. Yes. First of all, write magnesium, then chlorine. I make here directly, but you put always in the pattern form. Yes. Magnesium 2 positive, because magnesium 282. Their valency is 2. Their valency is 287. Lose 2 electrons. That's why plus. Here negative. Gain 1 electron. Yes, their valency. That is MgCl2. Yes, now come for the third. Any other chloride? Magnesium chloride, aluminium chloride. Yes. Yes, aluminium, you know, 283. Their valency plus 3. Why plus? Lose 3 electron. Chlorine 1 negative. उसके पैर में. Yes, very easy. Keep in mind. Give respect to the others. If other one give respect to you, you also give respect to the others. Yes, this was the third. Now come on the fourth. Yes, cuprous chloride. Keep in mind. Yes, cuprous chloride. See here, cuprous. You know copper 1 positive. Cupric is 2 positive. Here 1 negative. So their formula is a CuCl. Yes, for the fifth. Cupric chloride. Chloride is a monovalent always. Keep in mind, one only. Copper 1, 2 positive, chlorine 1 negative. Keep in mind. Yes, you positive negative only will only tell about the left and right only. Valency only come in there. Fit. Yes, Cl. CuCl2. Copper chloride. Yes, next any other chloride? Yes, mercurous chloride. Mercurous chloride. Hg 1 positive. Mercury chloride. Hg 2 positive, chlorine 1 negative. Very easy. HgCl2. Yes. If you want to form the another chloride very easily, you are able to form these chlorides. Now if you want try to make with a divalent sulfide. For example, first is a magnesium sulfide. It's very easy. According to name, you pick these ion, write their symbol and crisscross method you use. Magnesium Mg2 positive because 282 valency. Sulfide, you know, 2 negative. One more thing keep in mind. If both are same, cut on the table, then you cut. 1, 1. Then you put the valency on their feet. Yes, MgS, magnesium sulfide. Yes, second. Any aluminium sulfide. Aluminium sulfide. Yes, AlS2 negative, 3 positive. Aluminium valency 3, 283. Sulfur, you know, 286. They require 2 electron, gain 2 electron. That is a Al2S3. Not cut on the table. That's why I only put the valency on their feet. Yes, fourth. Any third? Yes, third. See there, cuprous chloride. Here one more we have to take. Stannous. Stannous sulfide. You know stannous SN, sulfide is a S only. Stannous, and here that is a S and S. Yes, fourth. Any other? Urous chloride. Uric you take. Uric. uric sulfide. You know, urous gold 3 positive, sulfide 2 negative. That's all. Au2S3, very easy. Yes, any another? If you want from the use the polyatomic ion, yes, carbonate. First carbonate, sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. Yes. Na1 positive, CO3 2 negative. Very easy. Na2CO3. And if you put 10H2O there with their water of crystallization, that is called, their common name is a washing soda. That also very important. Washing soda. Yes, second. Common name is very important. See there. Yes, any other carbonate, magnesium carbonate. See, Mg magnesium 2 positive, carbonate 2 negative. Cut on the table 1 1. Yes, MgCO3. Very easy. Yes, third one. See, third one. Aluminium carbonate. Any positive you react with a negative. Yes, aluminium carbonate. Yes, first of all, symbol of aluminium, then carbonate. Aluminium 3 positive, 2 and 3 valency. That's a 3 valency only. Al2CO3 thrice. Very easy. Yes, any another? Yes, that is a sodium bicarbonate. Now you see bicarbonate. If any bicarbonate, same you put. Yes, sodium 1 positive, bicarbonate, you know, HCO3 1 negative. Keep in mind. Yes, NaHCO3. Very easy. So their common name, special name, that is a baking soda. Keep in mind, mitha soda. Used for the acidity. Yes, one more. Now we see the hydroxide. Keep in mind, hydroxide first. Yes, magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. So Mg2 positive. Hydroxide, you know, 1 negative. Keep in mind. Yes, OH twice. You know their special name, that is the milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia, used as a antacid to remove the acidity in the stomach. Yes, next you see. Yes, magnesium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. Same you are able to make a magnesium chloride, magnesium bromide, magnesium iodide, magnesium fluoride, like this. Ammonium hydroxide, yes, see, ammonium ion, you know, NH4 1 positive. You know, ammonia gas is a NH3. When you add H positive with the coordinate bond, NH14 positive, ammonium ion, that is ammonia only, NH3. Yes, OH negative. Both touch their feet, both give respect to each other. Yes, that is NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide. Yes, next. For hydrogen, hydride. Yes, hydride. Another hydroxide, aluminium hydroxide. Yes, AlOH thrice. Aluminium hydroxide. 3 positive, 1 negative. Yes, that is a AlOH thrice. Yes, fourth one, sodium hydride. Yes, N1 positive, for the metal it become negative, hydrogen ion. Yes, NaH. Lot of another compound is there. Now we see how you form the acid. That is very important. Yes, how you form the acid. You know, last time I told about the last lecture, when H2SO4 form the hydrogen and sulfate. For example, you want to make the sulfuric acid. We discuss the acid one by one. Yes, you know sulfuric acid is a H2SO4. So keep in mind, hydrogen H positive ion is always there in the acid. According to the Arrhenius concept, which give H positive, that is a acid only. So that's why you put H positive. So with the sulfate, by using you are able to make a sulfuric acid H2SO4. Hanji, yes, sulfurous acid. When you come us, you put one oxygen less. H2SO3. How form? That use the sulfite. By using sulfite. Yes, next acid. Nitric acid. That is by using H positive and nitrate. By using nitrate, nitric acid form. And by using nitrous, by using nitrite, NO2 negative, that form the nitrous acid, us. Yes, now we try to form the acetic acid. Very easy. You know acetic acid, we use the acetate ion. Acetate ion, acetic acid. Keep in mind, acetate ion always come in the left side. Keep in mind. Exceptional case. With H positive, that form the acetic acid. Yes, second, phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid, yes. By using phosphate. Yes, phosphorus acid. One oxygen, phosphide. Here we use phosphide. A lot of other acids also we are able to make by using these crisscross method. Yes, crisscross method. Now we discuss about the oxide. Oxide. Yes, one is a sulfate, copper sulfate. Yes, copper. Here you use the cuprous. Cupric. For the cupric only, cupric. Cut. Yes, CuSO4. But when you add the 5H2O, that is called common name blue vitriol. Blue vitriol. Keep in mind, blue vitriol, their color is blue. When you remove water, heat it, they again colorless. Yes, become colorless. When you add 5 water of crystallization, it become colorful. Blue color is there, Neela Tota. That is used for to kill the rat. Kill the rat, pest. Yes, any other sulfate? Aluminium sulfate. Al 3 positive, sulfate 2 negative. Very easy. Now we discuss about the oxide. Yes, oxide. Calcium oxide. Calcium 2 positive, oxide 2 negative. Cut. Their common name is a quicklime. Quicklime. Yes. Next. Slate. Next is a calcium hydroxide. Ca2 positive, OH1 negative. You know hydroxide, hydrogen and oxygen, oxide. So that is a CHO twice. Their common name is a slaked lime. Second common name is the lime water. And you know lime water turns carbon dioxide milky. And you are able to detect the carbon dioxide in the environment. Yes, if you want to see the reaction, a very easy reaction, you know. See, calcium oxide react with the, yes, calcium when react with oxygen. calcium oxide, and calcium oxide react with water, that form calcium hydroxide. And when calcium hydroxide react with carbon dioxide, that form calcium carbonate. Yes, calcium carbonate. Calcium 2 positive, carbonate 2 negative. Cut. CaCO3, their common name is the limestone. Limestone, yeah, marble, white in color, white precipitate. Yes, so these are the chemical formulas, very easy chemical formulas. In the next lecture, we discuss about the ionic bond and covalent bond.